ಓಕೆ, ಇದು
ಅದರದ್ದು
ವಾಟರ್ ಶೂಟಾ? ವಾಟರ್ ಶೂಟ್ ತೆಗಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಇದು?
ಇದು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೀಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್,
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
it is the local, we shall take it as ash dot
Seed.
This is ash dot seed. From it has germinated. You have grafted with Dusa is a phytophthora resistant rootstock,
Not resistant, tolerant.
Tolerant scion. You have done this.
We are grafted with
Then now it has given the shoots. Over that,
1 second, sir. Then we leave for 1 centimeter. When it reaches 1 centimeter, we shift them to a dark room.
okay,
In avocado literacy, it says that only the white shoots develop the roots. We need artificial roots to be developed in here now.
okay,
So what we do is shift the plant
Ungrafted dosa.
on-grafted dosa.
Okay.
And then we shift them plants to the dark room,
Okay.
where we keep for 30 to 60 days.
Okay.
Where the complete stem becomes white.
okay,
After when it reaches a stem pencil size thickness and 40 centimeter height, we get back the plants to
Okay.
polyhouse.
okay,
Then we do a second ridging up. This is called as ridging up, where we use ethanol plus IBA.
okay,
Then we mix it and do a paste on it.
okay,
We leave for 15 days. Where there will be a new rooting.
okay.
In this will be a new rooting. Then we do the second graft with the variety we require.
There is a clonal.
That is the second variety. Then we when we leave for 3 months, we cut the plant here. Then we plant with this.
This is which scion it is?
This is a dosa.
Dusa. Now it is Sura only. Dusa only.
Dosa only.
Now you are shifting it to etiolation room, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
It is done already. It is already done.
Already done, sir.
Already done.
Already done.
Utilization is done.
Utilization is done and rooting is also done.
Ridging is also
ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಹೊಸ
It will become a new plant.
ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫುಡ್
It is a
ಹೌದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲ.
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್
ಕ್ಲೋನಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್.
No.
it is a grafted dosa only.
ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ.
Oh, ಇದು second.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Okay, let him
ದೂಸಾಗೆ
complete. Let him
ಇರುತ್ತೆ
complete.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಡೂಸಾ ವೆರೈಟಿನೇ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್,
Okay.
ಡೂಸಾ ವೆರೈಟಿನೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಯಾನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
This is the
ಅದು
clonal
ಪ್ರಿಸಿಷನ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
No.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
What I understood is he has got a hash dot.
Yes.
On that he has grafted with Dusa. Dusa he has grafted and takes it to etiolation room. When it becomes completely whitish. Which stem becomes whitish?
This one.
Only that will be
whitish.
there,
It becomes whitish.
Whitish.
Then he brings it back. And then he treats with IBA and also rooting hormones. He does it. Here it roots. Here only it roots. Then he will cut it here.
We will graft before that.
Before that he will graft it with
Same variety.
ash variety or lamb variety or whichever it is. Then you will cut it here and it is already rooted here. Therefore you will give
Transplant to the bigger plant.
transplant
But the bigger plant.
bigger
Then we'll keep for 6 months.